bana? Are you ready to count in Setswana? Before we start singing, let's go through the numbers again. What is 1? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was very good. Are you guys ready to sing with me? Here we go. Was very good. Now let's sing the song one more time. And don't forget to use your fingers to count along. Here we go.